Sometimes the most confusing thing to a new Notion user is knowing what to build. This contains the framework that I use with my clients. This is a template that you will be able to download in the description box. It's free, but donations help my work. But essentially, my name is Frances Dara Matthews. I'm the founder of the Notion Bar and a certified Notion consultant. And for the past 5 years, I've been helping my clients unlock their potential with Notion. So there are 3 main things you can build. The first category are things that you can track. This can be things that you can't drop the ball on. So in the business side of things, this could be team dashboards, project management, timesheets, etc. In your personal life, this could be goals, reading lists, etc. The second category of things that you can build in Notion are things that you want to store somewhere, because you might not need to look at them all the time, but you just need them to live somewhere. On the business side of things, this could be SOPs, marketing research, content calendar, employee directory. And in the personal side of things, this could be journaling, which I do actually also have a template for and a video for, travel plans, workout plans, recipe books, documents, you name it. And the last category of things that you can build in Notion are things that you can share. So you can actually build websites in Notion, and you can create some really interesting documents. Again, on the business side of things, portfolios, CVs. I actually got my last day job because of a CV that I built in Notion. Investor updates, which is becoming a popular one that I'm being asked to build at the moment. And then lastly, in the personal side, recipe book, household responsibilities. Those are the 3 categories. Things you can track, things you can store, and things that you can share. Does it mean that you have to move your entire life onto Notion? No, just the things that make sense. For example, with some of my clients, they might need really complex financial accounting and tracking, and it just is easier to not do that in Notion, and that's fine. And then when it comes to splitting things up, you've got your 3 categories here: track, store, and share. When you combine them with areas of your life, you can create an ideas matrix. So this template is pre-filled with a few categories, but you are more than welcome to add your own. Fashion, business, fitness, music. You might also choose to add food as a category. So something for food that you might want to track is the food diary. Something that you might want to store related to food are recipes. And something that you might want to share is maybe a chef portfolio. Then you kind of start to build up the different ideas for areas in your life. And then you're welcome to also track which ones you've done within each category, like so, and as well as having everything in this table view here. So those are the 3 ideas of things that you can build in Notion. Maybe you've thought of an idea that you hadn't thought of. But anyways, there is no need to suffer with Notion alone. I have a newsletter, the Notion Zeitgeist, where I curate all the most interesting Notion news and tips from around the Notion community, which is also linked to my monthly Big Notion Energy Academy, where you have a chance to ask me, a Notion expert, your burning questions and unpack Notion's latest releases. All the details in the description below. And of course, if you need a personal touch, feel free to get in touch and we'll see how we can work together. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and the link to download the template is below. Have a good one and see you next time.